Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix your account has been locked for violating our community guidelines. So guys, if you're also facing this problem and your account has been locked, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you unlock your Snapchat account. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open any browser in your device. So guys, open any browser and search here for sport.snapchat. So guys, here you can see this. And after this, you have to simply tap on Snapchat Sport from here. And wait here for some seconds. And now you have to tap on my account is compromised from here. So guys, tap on this. And from here you have to simply check this button to I cannot access my account. So guys, here you can see this. And after this, scroll it below and from here you have to check this button to I think my account was compromised. So guys, check this button also. And from here scroll it below and from here give here your username. So guys, give here your correct username and give here your email address which is associated with your Snapchat account, and after this give here your active phone number. So guys, do this, and in this box of description you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way that you have not violated any community guidelines regarding Snapchat. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and after this you have to simply tap on submit. So guys, you have to simply submit this report to the Snapchat team and they will oversight this matter, and after this hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours and they will send you a link on your email address to active your Snapchat account. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.